once you're in a relationship and you get caught cheating, you are no longer called my love. You will forever remain a cheater in their face.
Sure.
We've got two brains.
Eish.
Kune brain ye private part, kune brain ephezulu. Into most of the time esifahlekisayo singamajida. Ukulalela ibrain ye private part.
Oh.
That is why even noma kuthiwa uyaphuma uyahamba, noma kuthiwa uye esitolo, emehlweni akhe awuye esitolo uyojola.
Hayi bodi, kahle kahle bavumela icomfort yesibusiso. Ibavala amehlo bangaboni ukuthi babusiseke kangakanani.
Sure.
To say umuntu uyakhona ukuphuma asahleli.
Hey, leyo bhuti. Kubhlungu ucala phansi. That's the honest truth.
Yeah. Baningi abantu bebaqabanga kwangathi bangabo clever. Bathemba amandla abo. To this day ba 6 feet under.
Kunabantu esiyobabona ba walk away.
Sure.
Entweni ekose ngabayazilwela.
Sure.
But in the eyes of God, they've won.
Greetings South Africa, this is Amadoda Anyakaze Sumuza. Welcome to Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakaze Sumuza. As always Bafethu, this is where we speak the truth unfiltered into sibeka injalo, as the title of the show says, Real Talk. So sikhuluma izinto eziphilisayo. Thank you guys for those that are watching our videos. Thank you for everyone that subscribes to the channel. Siyabonga kakhulu. There's been a significant growth within the channel. So thank you so much. We appreciate to those that keep on viewing this channel. So please don't forget Bafethu to like, subscribe and also share. It's good.
Mabunda mfethu.
Yes sir.
Ugrand mfethu.
Ngiphilile bhuti.
Hayi siyabonga sibingelele yonke South Africa as usual. Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakaze Sumuza. But besithe siyashintsha ne Real Talk with Mabunda Nsibu. Ngibenguza usho njalo. But it's okay. Yeah. Sibingelele bafethu nicubeke njalo nisubscribe nicubeke njalo ni comment Real Talk and bafethu la asifaka ama filter into siyisho njengoba injalo. And remember it's not for sensitive viewers.
Yes.
So more sensitive siyacamta sekaya excuse, but this one there's one thing Mabunda I've realized, iqiniso liyamkhulula umuntu.
Yeah.
That is why uma ngabe sizongamana ngamanga then isiyewena.
Yeah. That's true, but see a win.
Sure.
But namhlanje but I don't wish for us to go beating around the bush and going everywhere, but I wish we can just go straight to the topic of the day and sibone where it leads us.
Sure.
Hey, wabonakala ngathi yakuthusa nje. Uyazibuza
no, putting us prepare yabo. I'm preparing engineer. I'm okay, now we are working yabo. Yeah.
As le look le onginikeza yona ne. It's the look I give to you every time I call video kumadoda Anyakaze Sumuza. I'm like
lento tizothi
namhlanje. Yeah, but otherwise no problem. But there's something that I've been thinking about that I wish we can tackle and that we can tackle and sikhulume ngayo namhlanje and see ukuthi it leads us where.
Yes,
I've been meditating about amandla okuqala phansi empilweni.
Sure. Okay.
Yabona. When I speak about amandla okuqala phansi, it was triggered about a story of this recent couple that is currently divorcing. Although gibona the both of them, luckily for the both of them, they were able to do prenups, whereby they entered to a particular contract that says whatsoever that you come with, whatsoever that I come with, it's mine, whatsoever that we've built, we can separate, those kind of stuff, those kind of dynamics. But then there are couples out there that found themselves that they were married in a community of property.
Sure.
So the minute they divorce, balahlekela yonke into. As in, like, I know guys that had to go and live in car, bahlale emotweni for months and months trying to pick up life again. I know women that had to go back home, bahlale kuma back room. Umuntu asuke kumention. You get what I'm saying? Impilo yakhe yayi right, but they had everything that they wanted, but divorce happened and now they are forced to start life again. So I do not want us to to put it in a context of a relationship kuphela, but also in life in general. Uthola ukuthi there is this guy mfethu bekasebenza and uthola ukuthi bekahola boma 30,000
Sure.
bekangasweli lutho at all. Now uthola ukuthi ke emsebenzini ba retrench. Yonke lento leyo seyiphelile, you need to go back and start life afresh, you need to go back and start job hunting, ukhipha abantwana ezikolweni, ukhipha abantwana that were comfortable kuma private school.
Sure.
Just to start afresh.
Ngithembe Mabunda ukuthi sizoyiceda. I don't know, but ijulile lento okhuluma ngayo.
Sure.
Here is the truth mfethu Mabunda.
Sure.
Kubhlungu ucala phansi. That's the honest truth.
Yeah.
Into ebhlungu ucala phansi ukuthi akusibo bonke abasurvivayo or ababuyayo.
Sibu.
Ingakho mina I call it a grace to bounce back. The reason why ngithi Mabunda ibhlungu into yokucala phansi, it's because of uma ucala phansi shothi uke waphumelela, uke waphusha, and behind that kunomjuluko.
Sure.
And behind that kunobhlungu.
Sure.
And behind that kunekhathi bo sacrificeela lento. Now ibese yakubhadala lento, but masokucala phansi into osukuyikhalela usukukhalela all these years. Yingakho even nakuma relationships umuntu usuke ekhalela isikhathi asimoshile kuleyo nto.
Sure.
The energy. Even in career wise, even the cars. Ifana Mabunda lento nokuthi uthenga imoto. And leyo moto mawuyithenga mfethu, you've been saving and starving. And ungathengi neimpahla, ugcoka impahla eyodwa for the sake of le moto ukuthi uyithole. Now the pain comes ukuthi uma le moto isilahleka, you are starting afresh.
Sure.
So that is why I'm saying putting it mina, I won't lie to you. Akusiwo wonke umuntu obuyayo after umuntu elahlekela.
You know makhuluma so my heart becomes painful.
Sure.
I'll explain why my heart becomes painful. It's because of I'm thinking about what happened in the Eastern Cape.
Okay.
Whereby abantu lost their houses through the floods. Abantu lost their cars through the floods. I see the cars, I see the houses, but imphefumulo. Whereby you know I came across a video of one of the guys that was like, I've lost my child, I've lost my wife, I've lost my ID, I've lost everything. Adlang kona angina lutho nje. Yonke into ihambe namanzi. So when you say akuso wonke umuntu obuyayo lapha, you know lento iyangicabangisa ukuthi kungenzeka kunomuntu kumanje oqabanga ukuzibulala ngenxa yokuthi kunezinto azilahlekelile, and makaqabanga the effort and the energy I fakile kulento. You know, like it truly takes God's grace. Kulula umuntu asho that you can come back, but in reality when you think about it, how do you come back, buddy, from a marriage here 25 years whereby the only thing that you have known it's family. And the only thing that you have known it's the gathering, the Sundays, nihamba niyakuma date niyenza yonke le, you know abantwana nibakhulisa nibo two in a family. How then do I come back from a situation ukuthi I've lost myself on something? Yeah.
Yajula lenkulumo. But I'll make an example.
Sure.
Ngizokwenza umzekelo. About you and I.
Sure.
I remember when we started Amadoda Nyakazi Sumuzi.
Sure.
We only had Mobicel.
Yeah.
And le Mobicel, it was bekuyi 2 rand igama layo.
Yeah, R2. Yeah. I remember it very well.
It was the first one.
Yeah.
Sayisebenzisa. And the yenye is 2 kwaba Mobicel angazi what.
I think it was
R5 or 8.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. During that time, but we used what we have.
Yeah.
Asikaze salahlekelwa ilutho.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
But there was that thing of ukubegezela and push lamandla bengikhuluma ngawo.
Sure.
but ekuhambeni kwesikhathi there was a time la khona I bought a phone, and that phone, it was Samsung
Galaxy, was it A50 something?
Yeah, and that was a beautiful smartphone. And buti ngayibona impilo ishintsha, and remember ngangiyithathe even nange contract, which mean I was paying every month. There was a money ebeyithatha.
Sure.
Mina kwaba nokukhanya. Do you remember those times?
I remember those times.
And uma kuba nokukhanya ngiyithathe in kuyi Monday, in after kwa jump iviki lokuqala lesi2 bayithatha bangibamba inkonzi. Ungizwe kahle mfethu Mabunda, ngifuna ukuverify into yokucala phansi. It was painful.
It was.
And kwakubhlungu, I even cried. I remember besi live kwa Facebook. I even cried and nan, but no one reached out ukuthi madoda bambani so na so, but we were on our own because of we believe in this vision. Now there's something puthi engifuna ukuyisho la.
Sure.
Ngiyasibona istory sami story set esulusizi, but one thing about us, we've mastered the art okushumayela nokumotivate. And we used what we have. As much as ibhlungu into yokulahlekelwa, but yini into isebenzisile, istrategy osebenzisile ukuze uthole lezi zinto ezilahlekile. Okusho Mabunda, as long as you have the system, those things can be zokwazi phinde zibuye. Ifana nokuthi Mabunda mfowethu kungalahleka amafoni, as much as i-warehouse isekhona e-create amafoni, everything is possible.
Kahle into yokuqala phansi has to do with making sure that you know the recipe. Ngoba if you are cooking, angazwa isingena kule nto madoda. No, but it's fine. It's who we are. Let's speak it. It's who we are.
Sure.
Ifana lento nebuti nokuthi uthi uyapheka lokudla kushe. Kanti inkinga ayikho ekudleni, ikuwo wena uyayazi irecipe yokupheka. So meaning to say, the reason sithi kungaqaleka phansi, it's because it's not about who you lost. It's about who you are. Ngamanye amagama uJobe, I'm sorry Bafethu, I'm sorry sindisiwe siyakholwa, angeke sikhuluma izinto ezinamandla so that are spiritually also, because ukulahlekelwa can also be spiritual. You get what I'm saying? As much as uJobe, there was a season la lahlekela khona, into yamgcina ukuthi he had an understanding of who he was and who he was saving. That is why later on zibuya leza zinto ziphinda-phindiwe. So meaning to say, the truth, it was not about izinto, it was about who he is. So meaning to say, identity yako should never be attached to the job, should never be attached to a marriage, should never be attached. You should develop your ability to have your identity outside of things. Ngoba you can lose things, but if in the midst of losing things you can be able to keep yourself, you can still rebuild again.
Yabona Putin mfethu, we'll be lying if I don't say this thing.
Sure.
As much as ungayibamba system ukuthi okay, I can be able to start afresh.
Sure.
But I won't lie, but in the midst of ukulahlekelwa yizo zonke izinto,
sure,
ufuna ukubounce back, ayathandazelwa amandla okubuya.
No, ayiphinde mfangeli.
Ngithi mina bhuti, as much as ulahlekelwe yiyo yonke into, uma ngabe uzobounce back uzoqala phansi, ayathandazelwa amandla okuqala phansi.
Sure.
Because mina bhuti, I won't lie to you. As much as I've once said this thing oku Well of Life podcast, bhuti, I only, as I walk the journey with God, there's something that I'm starting to understand or starting to see. I'm a spiritual being. This one is a flesh.
Sure.
But there's a person inside me.
Sure.
This is not usibu ngaphakathi.
Sure.
Angeke uzumbone.
Sure.
But ungaphakathi.
Sure.
but ngiphila edokodweni okuyinyama,
Sure.
which is flesh. Now but into that I've discovered ukuthi as much as uThixo engabonakala kusho ukuthi akekho.
That's true.
Ukhona. So as ngiphila la mhlabeni ngingenza noma ngabe yini engiyenza ngamandla ami.
Sure.
But ngiyayidinga i-backup yakamoya,
Sure.
because nginomuntu ongumoya ngaphakathi,
Sure.
and lowo muntu udinga uThixo ongumoya,
Sure.
kodwa ongabonakala ubonakala ngemisebenzi.
Sure.
So ilana ke bhuti la ngidiscover ukuthi in everything that we do in life we need i-backup kaNkulunkulu. You cannot do anything ngaphandle kwesimakade.
But as much as abantu hate to admit it, we need God. You know, sometimes we can underestimate the importance of needing God until we realize how deep life is spiritually ngakhona. Ngokuba puti life is spiritually ngakhona to a point ukuthi ayikho indawo la ungafika khona uthola abantu kungana something abathemba kiyo. Uye emsebenzini but kunabantu abasebenzisa imithi emsebenzini abenzana lokuthi bathele nje bathele whatsoever that they do. You go to ezikolweni abo principal nabo teacher but as much as we hate to admit kunabo teacher mfethu abasebenzisayo imithi. I still remember we were invited in one of the schools one of the good days. Sathi sifike officeini la ka principal. Sezwa kunuka uminti straight. Usibuzo ukuthi kwenze it's because this life it's spiritual. And anything if you underestimate the importance of the spirituality of life uzosithola ukuthi usenkingene and ungazi ukuthi uphuma kanjani kuleyo nto. Kanti isolution uNkulunkulu.
Yazi bhuti can I
You can dito.
As but I've discovered something mfethu.
Sure.
Kubhlungu ukulahlekelwa umuntu omthandayo.
Sure.
And into ebhlungu ukulahlekelwa umuntu omthandayo ukumluza.
Sure.
Angikhulumi ngokumluza ukuthi ashone.
Sure.
But ngikhuluma ngokumluza nihlukana ukulahlekelwa lokho.
Sure.
And ngifuna ukungena la ekutheni kubhlungu ukulahlekelwa umuntu omthandayo. Ngoba uyamvaluisha.
Sure.
But yena angakuvaluishi. But ungathandana nomuntu,
Sure.
nithandane niwu2. Nithi manihlukana wena othanda kakhulu yo feel ipain yokulahlekelwa.
Sure.
But lo onayo ku relationship angayifeel ipain yokulahlekelwa.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Oshthi but we can do the same thing.
Yeah.
But when that thing imoshakala mancane ama chances ukuthi singafila the same thing.
Pain. Yeah, that's true.
Iphutha labantu uma balahlekelwe bayitshela ukuthi nabanye abantu bayizwa le pain abayizwayo ukulahlekelwa. Kanti ungaba sothandweni nomuntu nithi manihlukane nakayizwa ipain yokulahlekelwa noma yokuhlukana, but wena osemathandweni oyizwayo ipain yokulahlekelwa.
Ngoba kuthiwa edonsa kakhulu iyoshawa kakhulu. You know, speaking of that, Nebudi, I feel like it's very important to warn people that still have right people in their lives.
Sure.
Ngokuba ukuba nomuntu oright empilweni yakho kukwenza sometimes ugcine uqabange kwangathi loyo muntu uyistupid ngokubekezelela izinto ozenzayo. Kanti the day akhathala akushiya ngiyakutshela uyofuna loyo muntu kuwo wonke umuntu odibana naye.
Yo bhuti. Yo.
Angazi if it makes sense. Kanti you once were blessed with someone right. Waqabanga kwangathi ubu right bakhe bumenza abe stupid. Kanti akabi stupid ngoba right bakhe. Wena wafela ukuvelusha loyo muntu. At the end of the day nigcine ulahlekele loyo muntu. Kunabantu namanje but abaka recover.
Sure bhuti.
Wadibana nomuntu right wangamphathi kahle wamphathisa ngendlela ebhedayo. And manje ungena kuma relationship akaqedi ungena uthandana nalo aka last 1 week bahlukene ungena kalo 2 weeks bahlukene but mawuthi uyacheckisisa usafuna lo ya bekaqabanga ngathi stupid. hey kwangathi ngusibusiso mama
angeke futhi ngiyenze be short lenkulumo
sure
kunabantu esibabona baphuma bangena kuma relationship
sure
kanti usafuna lesasilima adlala ngase ekucaleni
sure
kulaba bantu asuka hlukana nabo angene komunye angene komunye
sure
yebhuti mina ndazwayo bhuti mina ngizokutshela iqiniso mina I've realized something namhlabeni
sure
abo clever balast emhlabeni
yo abo clever abalast
emhlabeni
sure
but one thing I've realized iphukuphuka ilima abantu abazenza ilima
sure
ibona abalastayo you know but there's a these days ngokungena lapha kwa TikTok ngiscroll yabona in my personal space whereby I'm like yabo there's a video that I saw but it was painful
sure
la khona players bebadlala ibhola obvious uma kudlala ibhola khona abagcoke ezimhlophe khona abagcoke ezimnyama kwasho ukuthi kune player la yeka ibhola la ya kulomunye ogcoka iskipa opposite wafika wamshanga ibhakela you know the guy into ayenzile yini uvela wafulathelwa bheka le wangafuna ukulwa
yo
oshuthi ohlakaniphili lolwayo oyisilima ilo bheka le and ilula ke impi yabantu abangali kulwa oyedwa because ayibi prolonged
yeah
but iveliyeke even nabantu abalamlaya abafuneki
yeah
but into engifundile lapha yanaye ngithe ngiseza ubhlungu yakuma comment ngathi mangiya kuma comment ngabona abaningi batypeile but owinile yilo owalk away into the fight that's when I realized but ukuthi kunezimpi okungakosanga uzilwe
sure.
but yozincoba just to walk away as much as it is painful
yeah
but but let me say this thing say this is deep man but kungcono man nailent isemcondweni wami but this is deep the devil is a liar
ihambile ngokasi
ebut kunabantu
sure
esiyobabona baluza public
sure
but emfihlakalweni they've won
that's true
kunabantu esiyobabona ba walk away
sure
entweni ekose ngabayazilwela
sure
but in the eyes of God they've won
you know but mawukhuluma so baningi abantu bebaqabanga kwangathi bangabo clever bathemba amandla abo to this day ba 6 feet under kunomuntu manje bhuti they happened bebasendleleni they had a road range a simple I'm sorry and walking away would have saved that person's life kanti waphuma afuna ukutshengisa amandla anawo kanti lo muntu ongaluphethe isigama to this day ushonile abantwana basana baba abomama basala abasana mntwana ngenxa yokuthi umuntu wanted to prove how powerful they are angazi if it makes sense I wanted to say something again but sure. To say sisakhuluma ngabo clever kunomuntu manje nebhuti usespanini but akasihloniphi lesipani anaso ene uyakhohlwa ukuthi baningi abantu ngaphandle abadinga the very same work anaso kwangathi mfethu ngifuna ukurelease a gentle and a sweet warning
sure.
To say what you do not take care of will leave you but even a plant that you do not water one day it dies. Same applies to our relationship but if you do not water them they die so meaning to say as much as sikhuluma ngabantu abalahlekelwe what if you played a role
awuzwe
no asibe honest sithe real talk zajika ke izinto khona uzoshintsha ke channel ke manje ngoba usandile but manje sesizokhomba wena ukuthi wena yini lento yenzile econtribute ukuthi ulahle ngoba kunabantu mvangeli abashadi manga kanti inkinga akuseyabantu abashada nabo inkinga ngibo.
You know Puti, let me say this thing mfowethu.
Sure.
Uma ngabe nithandana genuine nomuntu enisiwentanana naye.
Sure.
Oy partner esayidini la okay. Nkosi yami namhlanje Puti I don't know man.
Wayengathi le real talk icabanga uyishuta unama video ka TikTok engcono.
No. I'm not Puti. It's just that I want funa kuyibeka ikahle.
Sure.
Puti kunabantu abathandana genuinely.
Sure.
Bathandana genuinely.
Sure.
Yingakho wonke ama effort abazowenza.
Sure.
Both of them they will appreciate each other.
Sure.
But kunabantu abaku relationship omunye uthanda genuinely. Omunye akathanda genuinely. Guess what? Lo othanda genuinely.
Sure.
Ama effort azowenza kulo ngathanda genuine ubona islima.
Yo.
Okusho ukuthi uma ngabe uku relationship nomuntu ongekho kulento oyenzayo uyislima wena yena uhlakaniphile.
Sure.
Ezisa lento engisho. So and into ebhlungu ukuthi lona masahlukene nalesilima ubona sekulate ukuthi man sengilahlekelwe ile relationship enginayo. You understand?
Ngiyaka understand but
that is why Puti mina I won't lie to you. Kunabantu abalahlekelwa yinto ekhona egameni lokuthi bona bazange bafuna ukufaka ama effort. That is why you put a blame on them ekulahlekweni leyo nto.
Ngoba Puti a lot of us mvangeli unfortunately we live in a generation that points everyone as wrong except you as a person. You know iyafika a season whereby Puti, let me put it in relationship terms about to say lo munye uyafona lo munye akafona. Lo munye ukhipha omunye kuma date lo munye akamkhiphi. Lo munye uthenge lo munye izipho lo munye akamthengela izipho. Aksiyo onke ama relationship Puti aphela immediately. But aphela in a long run because of repeated same mistakes. Or because of ignorance. Okusho ukuthi ke kunento oyenzayo repeatedly lo munye engamphathi kahle and kube wesi ke mawungaboni ukuthi lento lo munye ayimphathi kahle and the more wenza ama mistake lawo kulo munye uthando luyancipha.
But
kunabantu abahlukene babo u2 angazi if it makes sense.
It makes sense
simply because of lo munye sekahlukene nawo but wena ubone ni u2 kanti anisekho i2 u1 kulento ngenxa yezinto ozenza repeatedly. I'm speaking from experience.
Sure.
To say umuntu uyakhona ukuphuma asahleli.
Hey leyo but hey mina but I'll say this thing umuntu uyakhathala.
Hey but sifike njani?
Yeah.
Sifike njani?
Yeah, umuntu safe.
Yes, safe.
Umuntu uyakhathala but mina won't lie to you.
Sure.
Umuntu uyakhathala. Ngizokutshela ukuthi umuntu ukhathala kuphi.
Sure.
Umuntu ukhathala uma into eyenza yedwa kungekho omunye umuntu omlekelelayo.
Sure.
But asikhathali sobabili.
Sure.
Uma soyithu siyenza lento.
Sure.
But ngiyokhathala the day wena ungayenzi lento engiyenzayo. Yebo. So mina I won't lie to you but iqiniso lento esho ukuthi kunama relationship aphela nokudala phela.
Sure.
But basese together but iphela in a long run.
Sure.
Because of the things that they do now.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
So eyo msebenzi ngishaka kakhulu.
Yo.
Eyo msebenzi ngishaka kakhulu. Mina but I've learned this thing. You may have a blessing.
Sure.
but ukhumbule khona oyithandazelayo lento nayo.
Sure. I hear you.
I believe mina namhlanje bhuti ukuthi kunabantu besifazane abashadwa ngabafazi lapho.
Sure.
But here's the truth. Ubuza amadoda ukuthi lo mfazi wamtholaphi. Wamthola ngoba walahlwa yenye indoda.
Sure.
Ebeyibona isilima kanti umfazi ohlakaniphile lo. Yayizwa lento bhuti. Okusho ukuthi bhuti into onayo khona umuntu oyithandazelayo.
Sure. I hear you.
You understand? So iphutha lethe silenzayo, once we have something we become comfortable. Ngaleyo nto uNkulunkulu asiwakunikeze yona.
Sure.
But lento eyenzeka ebholeni, it's practical even in real life.
Sure.
Whereby kunabadlali abadlalayo.
Sure.
Kunabadlali ngaphandle abavivayo. You understand? Yeah. That is why but iBhayibheli lithi konke okutholayo nokwenzayo kwenzisise.
Ngoba buti kunabantu kumanje as we speak ababona ukuthi babusiseke kangakanani. Kahle kahle bavumela icomfort yesibusiso. Ibavala amehlo bangaboni ukuthi babusiseke kangakanani. Kunomuntu kumanje kibo there are 3 or 5 cars. Someone out there is still praying just for one car.
Imoto enye.
Wena kumanje uyangena kuma relationship, uyangena uyaphuma utawuncenga indoda, awuncenga imfazi ngoba wonke umuntu yakufuna.
Hey.
Kwamanje ama season we life awafana. Believe me. You know there is a season mango whereby uzothi uapply emsebenzini ubona imisebenzi o5 ungazi ngithathe lo ngiyeke uyeke lo after 2 weeks uthole lo munye. Believe me, one day iyawuvala leyo season. Uthola ukuthi ke bowaziwa ukuthi wena ohlala 2 weeks unganamsebenzi, ubona uhlala 1 month, ithi 1 month ithi 4 months, ithi 4 months ithi 5, kanti the time uNkulunkulu akubusisile awuzanga wasebenzisa kahle leso sibusiso. Kumanje mfethu uyangena uyaphuma. Believe me, one day that door will shut. Ngiyakutshela mfana kithi uzohamba uye kaMhlaba yalingana uyofuna imithi ehlukahlukene ukuthi uyigcobe emzimbeni wakho ngoba uzibuze ke uyabathola abantu kodwa uthola abantu abaright. Ngoba abantu bona bakhona mara kusibo bonke abantu abaright. Imisebenzi ikhona mara kusiyo yonke right.
Uyazi bhuti lento esikhuluma ngayo iyangihlekisa because ipersonal.
Hayi.
No, personal. No, personal.
Yawo personal. Kanjani manje igadle ekhaya?
Ebuti. Mina benginama jazz mfethu.
Sure.
Like mina benginama jazz during isummer.
Sure.
But ngake ngawathenga ku winter endlulile.
Sure.
But kule summer lebengiyo manje bengazi ukuthi ngwenze njani. Kanti kube ngawabeka endaweni right, ngawenza aba safe nanani.
Sure.
Into engishayo nayo but manje kule winter eskiyo.
Sure.
Angisanawo ama jazz. And mangicheka ngaba negligent ngama jazz ebenginawo.
Ngesama.
Okusho ukuthi mabunda ama jazz ngwabone ayisilima ngesama. But ngewinter kwaphenduka mina kwaba yisilima amajezi abayisihlakaniphi.
Yo
kunabantu bhuti esibalahlile ngendaba yo siyitshela ukuthi sibokleva kanti ekuhambeni kwesikhathi sobadinga.
Sure.
Bangazi bhuti siyaphi kulena. That's why ngithi ipersonal.
Ay. I want to dinga
kahle. Ipersonal. Mina bhuti ungizwe kahle.
Sure.
I won't lie to you, sir.
Sure.
As much as I'm powerful ngikhuluma ngimotivate abantu.
Sure.
Bakhona abantu engengabagila. I won't act here as a superman.
Sure.
But there were people uThixo abalethe empilweni yami.
Sure.
Ngabaphakamela.
Sure.
You understand?
I hear you.
So angeke ngithi manje nani but ngiyayibonga leya season. Ngoba leya season bhuti yangifundisa ukuthi mhlazana kuza umuntu oright
Yo.
make sure mfana kithi umbamba ngezandla zombili umbambi ngesandla esodwa
You know buddy, there is something sesoyivala I think isikhathi sesihambile manje
siyashesha manje
hey mnana le podcast there is something that I've learned but usakhuluma ngendaba yamajezi I think now I'm dealing with a similar situation to you
okay.
But I'll explain in which way mina ke into engaba neglect ngamajezi ukuthi ngawathatha ngawabeka ngangawasebenzisi kanti the more ngawaqoki mina ngiyakhula guess what the day kubanda ngathi ngwaqoka ngathola ukuthi hawu awasangilingani
semafishane
lalela bewangalahlekanga bewakhona but I outgrew them. I'm saying there is a possibility that you have a blessing in your life, that God has blessed you with something, but you won't know the day you're no longer good for it. If you are not using it, kunomuntu manje mfethu uyashumayela, but the more when you do not exercise your gift of preaching, the more ikshiya lento, and you will find it difficult to do it. Angazi who will relate to this thing. There are things that we have in our lives that God has blessed us with, and we have not taken care of them. As a result, into leya ikufanele igcine ikushiye simply because of you were not taking care of that thing. What if mfethu wena ohlezi lapha ekhaya sesivana, it's a relationship that you had that you're not taking care of? What if it's a relationship between your parents? What if it's a relationship between you and your friends? What if it's a relationship between you and whoever that is in your life? It can be brothers, it can be sisters. That abakhona, but because you are not watering it, igcina lento engasakulingani. Nigcina senidibana ningasakwazi nokuthi ngakhuluma ngani ngoba you are not watering these gifts that God has given you. You are not watering these God-given relationships. But Siva,
as put mfethu but sizoyibona on the next sizoyibona but there's something
say something but
you know but I said something on Facebook when ngibhala
sure
amacanda but icanda lingazeliwe ngeke ulungise
yo
amanzi angazacitheke ngeke usawubutha iglass lingazeliwe phansi liba into pieces.
Sure.
Into ngifundile bhutile ukuthi iyafana netrust ku relationship.
But
I-trust mfethu mabunda ungenza imistake encane iyaphahla ka isabisabuya. Into ebhlungu ukuthi noma kuthiwa sozama ukuyibutha ngeke isabuyela noma uthi uzama ukuyilungisa ngeke isabuyela njengokufana. But ungizwe kahle angali mfowethu ne kukhona ezinye zezinto ezithi maziwa iziphuke izilungiseke. But khona ezinye ezithi mayiphuka
angeke isale.
It will take God's grace futhi angiboni ukuthi umuntu nje it takes supernatural. You understand about?
I understand.
So as much as usulahlekelwe uyibona leni ukuthi yeweni iyeke mntana sekhaya.
Yo budi I want to say this thing.
Sure.
I'm going to say this thing. I hope South Africa can listen to me.
Sure.
Both women and men can listen to me. Into ongayenze bedayo nayi ukuthi iglass uma seliphukile ul expect ukuthi uma uzolihlanganisa futhi libe lisafana kanti libe liphule nguwe
awuzeke
siphula abantu mangu sa expect ukuthi noma bephukile bazo function at the way beba functiona ngakhona before. I'm going to say this thing.
Say it, sir.
Angeke but umoshe umntana abantu or umchithele bese u expect ukuthi izinto zizofana before uyenza lento yenzile. akuna ma-gift ozowathenga azolungisa the damage that you made. Akuna moto ozoyithenga ezolungisa that, noma kungathiwa uthengane, but there will always be that space that kodwa wena wenza lokho. I'm speaking this thing because of I know it, I've seen it in life, to say, and unfortunately most of us, we are selfish as people. We break people and then we expect them to live life and act life as if everything is normal. Ngeke angazi ukuthi ngikhuluma nobani out there, but think carefully. I'm gonna say this thing. Do you really mfethu want to break that which you are having now? I'm gonna say this thing. Do you really want to break whatsoever good thing that you have right now? Do you really want to let go of that beautiful job that you have right now? Ngoba uma lento yaphuka, noma kungathiwa sowubuyile ngeke safana, because mistake abantu abaningi abayenza naye mama is to think that the grass is greener on the other side.
It's not.
And it's not. Not always the time. Ngenzeka or resign from one company uye kwenye company.
Abambe lapho yo.
That's afethu madoda sivale.
Awusoyivalile.
Just
okay. Just one more minute but
sure.
Ngivale kanje. But once waganga wabanjwa.
Sure.
South Africa uyaboshwa.
Sure.
Uba namadocket ejele.
Sure.
Awube usabizwa ngegama lakho.
Yo.
Ubizwa ngesiboshwa.
Hey.
I don't know if it makes sense and then sure.
Ngizwile.
Now kunabantu abenza amanyala ethandweni.
Hey.
Abanje umuntu axolelwe.
Yeah.
Abanje umuntu axolelwe. Amadocket lawo. And lo muntu osukuthandana naye akasakubuki njengesithandwa sakhe. But sikakubona njengesiboshwa.
Ngicela ukuyibeka ngesilungu.
Ibeke.
Stay real talk.
Sure.
We put it as raw as this. Ngi-interpreting ngesilungu. Okusho ukuthi ke once you are in a relationship and you get caught cheating, you are no longer called my love. You will forever remain a cheater in their face. Ngathi bofuna ukuyicoverisha. Hayi qhubeka. Qhubeka. No ngisho bengi-interpreta ngesilungu. But for my Nigerian friends and American friends.
Yeah. So uyohlezi Mabunda ubuyi-citizen yase South Africa.
Sure.
Unormal.
Sure.
The time wakaganga ungenzi next.
Sure.
And bunawo ama right.
Sure.
But now ungazugange, you lose all the right.
Hey.
That is why, but I won't lie to you. Once you cheat, once you wenza amanyala, you lose respect.
Sure.
From kumuntu osukuthandana naye.
Sure.
Bese uthi wena akakuhloniphi, kanti into emenza ukuthi angakuhloniphi lama docket anawo ngawe.
Sure.
Unawo ngawo.
Hey.
So that is why but I'm saying this thing. Ama right amoshekile.
Hey, but
that is why even noma kuthi uyaphuma uyahamba, noma kuthi uyesitolo, emehlweni akhe awuye esitolo yojola.
Ay, bodi.
Noma kuthiwa mfethu usikhiphile namajida akho wenza in emehlweni akhe. In fact but the moment uphuma ngomnyango uyashake.
Eish.
Why? Because of unamadocket akhe amaningi omenze wona.
Yo. Afethu real talk ke le
asiva.
No, asiva.
Yeah.
But me bafethu izinto esikhuluma na, they are not only fiction bafethu, this is the real life truth. Sengivala man. I want to give a guy out there. Yabona khona lento masiqeda ukushumela sibiza i-altar call.
Sure. Yeah, baphenduka abantu.
Mina ke I want to give someone as a brother, as someone that has lived and experienced life.
Sure.
I want to ask you, ndoda eshadile, are you really willing to lose your family, bro?
Hey.
Is it gonna be worth it? Is that amount of pleasure worth losing your family? Siswam, is that attention le oyithola kulo munye umjida really worth it to a point that you can lose your family because of it. Because of mango, the truth is even nendoda yakho leyo naye ofuna ukuyishiya manje bekunikeza the very same attention that the other guy is giving you.
Yeah, that's true.
Are you really, I want to ask you this question. Is it really worth it? Or you are now thinking based on pleasure and not the consequences that are gonna come with the pleasure? Ngoba kunabantu mango, sometimes we focus so much on the pleasure and we forget about the consequences that are gonna come after the pleasure. Angazi if it makes sense. Because poti noma uyindoda eshadile sobanjiwe mawusubuye ekhaya alibi lisafana.
Yazi inkinga ngathi thina majida yini.
Sure.
We've got two brains. Kune brain ye private part, kune brain ephezulu. Into most of the time esifahlakisayo singamajida ukulalela ibrain ye private part. Futhi ibrain ye private part ingazivuke ivala le software.
Sure.
So mfethu, once you master that thing, le private part, you've conquered the world. You are powerful.
Let's just drop the mic. Real talk.
Sengikhuluma ngama private part.
No, but it's not because of that. It's not because of that. Because the truth is one. Whether we love it or we the truth is failure to manage that thing can destroy your life.
That is why you are powerful in women's eyes. Once you master that thing.
That thing. But me, I'm telling you, as a guy, angazi abantu besifazane, but me as a guy, if you can master that thing, you know, unfortunately, you know what's the thing, ne?
Sure.
The thing is as amajita, we have a software that is bad, and nakhona it's based on indlela esakhuliswa ngayo, whereby you think like sleeping with different women makes you and in reality sometimes it makes you to become a fool. Because you end up having unwanted responsibilities with people that you do not want. So Buffett, manage that brain, that private brain there, manage it. You know, like sometimes I wish even women can learn to manage it.
Now we are because we they must master this because ngathi thina because I've studied life science esikolweni.
Sure.
I almost became a paramedic.
Paramedic.
But bengifuna or nursing but due to my sensitivity.
Nursing man.
Yeah. I wanted to do that but now due to engangishaya life science esikolweni.
Ngiboni njenge nurse ndoda. Sister Mango.
Ancela uthini uma nesa ngamadoda manje.
Okay. My bad. My bad. I apologize to all for being insensitive or making fun of it, but we just playing around it. We acknowledge your hard work. Bo sister. Bo brother.
Okay. So there's what we call testicles, the balls. The balls. They are always ready.
Sure.
Kuna sperm cells, you understand?
Sure.
They are always ready. That's why tina puta si esikhathini.
Hey right neslu.
Yeah. Hey right but isintu lesa awukahleni bo. Tina si esikhathini.
Sure.
Okusho ukuthi umuntu wesilisa, umuntu wesifazane maka esikhathini shothi is not ready for sex.
Sure.
But a man
is forever ready.
Ziyaviva leza zi ready for kushoota baba.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
So that's why it's difficult to be a man. Because now njoba sihleli so kuyashisa but we need ukuthi ibambe. Yeah babu dakhulumi.
Ayivale.
Real talk.
Real talk. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good night.